Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Question: what are you doing now? I'm watching videos on TikTok. Okay, I'm watching videos on TikTok. Present continuous. You're doing it now. You started before my video came on and you'll watch some more videos afterwards. So the action has a beginning and an end. I am watching videos on TikTok. Okay, what were you doing yesterday? I was watching videos on TikTok. So the past tense of the verb to be, so not I am, but I was, and the verb watch with ing, I was watching videos on TikTok. So what about next week in the future? What will you be doing tomorrow, the next day? Answer: I will be watching videos on TikTok. It's in the future, so you need will. After will, it must be the infinitive of the verb to be. So I will be, and then the ing, watching. I will be watching videos on TikTok. Hopefully, Uncle Geoff's videos. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.